This is how to make scrambled eggs. I normally have 3 eggs. To crack them, I prefer to give them a quick pop on a flat surface. Now, mix them together. I'm using a fork. After about 20 seconds, that looks good. Put a pan over a lowish heat. I set mine on a heat of 3 out of 10. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use butter though if you prefer. Give the oil a minute to heat, then add your eggs. From here, use the spatula to pull the egg from the edges to the center of the pan. Occasionally do this while it cooks. I'd recommend a silicone spatula so that you don't scrape your pan. How done you want your eggs is up to your own personal preference. I'm happy with mine like this after about 2.5 minutes of cooking. Make sure you remove them from heat. They'll cook a little bit more afterwards. You can add salt and pepper to taste and enjoy your breakfast. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.